Hi amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I want to prepare a fruit salad for my kids and my husband. It has been a long week, so I want to prepare something as they wait for lunch, something to keep their tummy going. So this is what I want to prepare. I want to prepare a fruit salad with combination of the fruits that I have in the house. I have a watermelon here, I have a pawpaw, I have an avocado, I have a mango, and then I got some bananas, and then I have these fruits that I don't know their name. As we say, they are for adding blood, so I don't know their names. So come on the comment section, let me know the name. What do you call it in your mother tongue or in English? Let me know. So guys, let's do this together. Let's prepare, and if there is a way you use it, let me also know. I'm still going to add some yogurt in this to make it more sweeter. So let me know what you use in place of yogurt. Do you use milk or something? I'm not going to blend it, but I'm going just to put some milk to make it more juicy. So let's do this, guys.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling out, yeah. Talking about nothing, then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling out.
How deep is your love for me? Iyo nguzi sisuyaza, yeah. Baby, you're sweet like a pineapple. Oh darling, I took a bite and I fell in love, yeah. Najua kuna milima na kuna mabonde, tutakwenda wote. Wanna be the best man. Oh, 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 gonna show you love, my woman. Oh, 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 this kind of love, oh love, kutuipata kwa hela of love, of love. Ooh, this for the good side. Hey, a good side. I can stay for a long time. Hey, cause baby you're my jiggy jiggy. Unanipa gijiri. 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 Livonigusa bila kunikamata, tulivyendana mama ni kama kapa. Changu chako mikasa sukasa, girl you're better than them. Livonigusa bila kunikamata, tulivyendana mama ni kama kapa. Changu chako mikasa sukasa, girl you're better than them. See you baby, I feel you baby, I see you baby. Even if you're not around, I see you, baby. I feel you, baby. I see you, baby. Even if you're not around, hey. Umenishika nishika mateka, zaidi yako sijaonaga. Umenishika nishika mateka mihoi. I can't breathe, I can't breathe. I can't breathe, I can't breathe. When you move to the left, I go. To the right, I go. Turn around baby, let me know. Baby take it slow. You're like an angel from heaven. If you want me, let me love you. You got me dancing in the rain. Dancing zangoda baby, you smile. Give me love, yeah. You smile, yeah. One time for my baby love, yeah. You smile, yeah. Give me love, yeah. You smile, you smile. One time for my baby love, yeah. I'm stuck on you like a glue. I can't get enough of you. I'm stuck on you like a glue. I can't get enough of you, yeah.
other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling out, yeah. Talking about nothing, then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Silence speaks so loud, and I hear you calling out.
Guys, this is the end product of my fruit salad. Just as simple as that. Combine all the fruits. Let your family have a healthy fruit salad. You know, it doesn't cost so much. Just something simple like this and you're done. So if you want to add yogurt, you can add yogurt into it. But it's the best and the simplest. Until the next video, bye.